Welcome friends. Today we are gonna see how to set emojis, timestamps and rich presence status in your Discord profile, so let's get started. Put backslash before every emoji, then just copy it and paste easy. Now go to this link, the link is in video description. Then set any time you want and copy the stamp code. Then paste. You can use timestamps in chat messages too. Go to this website, link is in the description. And then install. You can see video how to install to learn more. Then download this plugin, link in the description. And then copy the plugin and paste here like this. Press Ctrl+V and it will be pasted here. Then use app ID and other things from Discord developers portal. Watch video on how to make Discord app to learn more. Others are custom and optional. Random tip: invite my bot, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more. Goodbye.